Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Huawei model and a MIUI build so you know which method will work. Once done, back up your phone. This protects data if anything changes. Next, enable developer options and USB debugging to allow sideloading. Make sure to toggle the options intentionally. Download a reliable APK installer, app gallery, and a secondary trusted App Store APK to your device. This combination gives you immediate tools for installing apps not an app gallery and sets the stage for the next steps. Now you sideload the APKs. Open the installer, grant permission to install from unknown sources, and install the main app. If the app needs Google Play services, install a compatible substitute like MicroG or use Huawei mobile services alternatives. This resolves many dependency checks. Configure app permissions immediately so features work correctly, and remove restrictive battery or background limits that block notifications. Finally, add critical apps to auto-start so they launch reliably. These actions make apps usable and stable on Huawei devices. Finish by testing the app thoroughly. Sign in, check notifications, play media, and confirm updates work. If an app still requires Google services, consider app cloning or a virtual environment to isolate it. This often resolves compatibility conflicts. Make sure you keep alternative store APKs for future updates. If something goes wrong, clear cache and app data, then reinstall. If that fails, reset permissions and repeat the install. One key tip: reboot after major installs. Many issues clear after a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.